New face, who this? It's only me. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here in France, and we are out, and I am just going to the supermarket. It's been 4 days since Babe's surgery, and Babe has been home and resting, and he's doing well. He's just dropping me at the supermarket while I go inside and shop, while he just sit and relax in the car. So that's what we're up to right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now and catch me and keep up with the fam bam. And if you guys wondering, Mel, what did you do to your hair, girl? It's a wig. Yes, it's called a headband wig. It actually looks like my hair because the way it's done. But girl, it's a wig. It's a wig. I like a changing look is good sometime. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing well, and the kids are good, and baby's good. We're hanging in there. I'm not gonna say he's good, but for the most part he's good, and we have to give God thanks for that, because he's alive and well, and we all have life, and that is absolutely important. We give thanks each and every day for the small mercies, the big mercies, the small victories, the big victories. We just give thanks for each and every bit of it. We're humbled by you guys' love, the outpour of love and support since Babe has been going through this. Just bring me to tears each and every time. You guys are amazing from 4 corners of the world. We don't know you guys, but yet you guys are so kind and so loving, and it really touched us, and it touched me deeply. It is felt. I feel you guys through the screen of the computer. I read every single one of your messages and pass them on to Babe. Sometimes he reads them with me, and he is really thankful to each and every one of you, whether it's on here on YouTube, whether it's on Instagram or Facebook. You guys just pour so much love into our family, and we appreciate each and every single one of you guys. We love you guys. Thank you guys for everything. And the man of the hour is here. Hi.
Hi guys. What's up? Time to go to supermarket.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little shopping. So we're just making a quick supermarket run, and then we'll be right back inside. Right back inside. A little out is good to just breathe a bit. And supermarket is good for, especially for Babe, for him to just, you know, not think too much. Anyway, you guys, here are the kids.
Really clear.
Wagwan.
I'll put it in here.
And also, soon, one day, Mama's channel is going to name Ninja Spy.
Why my channel gonna name Ninja Spy?
Because I'm a ninja.
You're too funny. No, you gonna name Ninja Spy, not Mama channel.
My channel?
No, you Tyler gonna name Ninja Spy.
No, when I'm going to be an adult, my channel will name Ninja Spy.
Alright, sir, we hear you. Alright, work on that, okay?
Okay.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, pretty girl. You wanna say cuckoo? Say hi. Can you say hi? You're beautiful. Sarah. Say hi. Hi. Cuckoo.
Tata.
Bye-bye. You tell me mama.
Tata.
Tata. They're so cute. Anyway, you guys, we're hitting the road. Inside the car is so hot, but outside is a little bit chilly. It's very sunny though. It's a little bit chilly outside because it's windy. But yeah, let's go do this quick run, and we'll be back with you with the supermarket haul. We're back.
Yes, we are.
And it's time to do the supermarket haul with Miss Chatterbox Sarah. Look at her. Sarah! That's her favorite thing to do, climb and sing head, shoulder, knees. Come, let the face see your pretty face. Say, look at me, I'm pretty. Look, look there. Yes, Ty.
What time is it?
Time
Time to go to
to the
bed.
supermarket haul.
No, but to which time, Mom?
It's almost 3 o'clock and I have to go put Sarah down for a nap. So let's do this.
So why is on 12 p.m.?
Oh, my water?
Yes. You need
Because
to
I
catch
need to
up.
drink. Yes, I'm gonna catch up. I will catch
It's
up.
already between 4 and 6. It's between 4 and 6.
Yes, it is. Alright, let's knock out the supermarket haul real quick, guys. You guys, Sarah is in a climbing phase right now. So,
Nutella.
eyes on this girl.
Nutella.
Yes, very good.
No, Mama, when I see something,
Oh, the mail. Alright, let's do it.
Mama, when I see something, you repeat what it means.
Yes.
Oh.
Orange. Here. Get down.
Melissa.
Patadous.
Sweet potato. Come on, let's go.
Quinoa.
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 More quinoa.
Je sais pas c'est quoi.
It's pumpkin, it's squash. Because pumpkin season is going out. They have no cut one, so I try to find the smallest one. Milk came for me.
What you expect?
Je sais pas. Here product, here color.
Oh.
Yeah, but they say they package them together, so I don't know. I'll check it out and see. Alright, let's go faster. Butterbean.
Broccoli.
That's good.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Babes
That's
don't know what we got, so baby's
I'm
discovering.
discovering.
Chocolate.
Chocolate milk,
Zucchini.
zucchini. Come here, let's go. You guys, I'm trying to get through the supermarket haul so that I can go put Miss Rascal down for nap. She's just climbing. Oh, pink salt and strawberry, not strawberries,
great.
grape, honey, rice, pasta,
I said cookie.
pasta. Ty, they can't see you. Stand up, stand up. I'll pick them up. Ty, stand up.
Jus de pomme.
Apple juice.
Céréales.
Ow.
Sarah?
Yeah, mama.
Sarah?
Céréales. Poisson.
Fish,
Saumon.
salmon,
Pizza.
pizza. Chicken is kind of boring.
Bacon.
What is betterave?
Crevette.
Shrimp.
Pizza.
Pizza, and you guys know today is Pizza Friday. Yogurt for Sarah.
Yaourt.
Yogurt for Tyler. Everybody in this house have their own yogurt. Yeah. Yes, Ty. Ham and sausage.
Ham and sausage. It's still vacation next week, so we have to think about food for
I
Tyler.
didn't know it was Pizza Friday. I thought it was.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. I decided to take this type of yogurt.
I thought
Why
it
one
was
is missing?
ready.
Before,
Sit here.
oh, it work?
No, just break off of this. Alright, Tyler favorite bag.
Tyler is the
favorite
snack bag.
Guff.
Oh, Tyler love Guff. Guff is waffle.
Waffle.
Waffle. He loves to take waffle since like 2-3 weeks. Oh,
Pretzel.
pretzel, I will take that.
I haven't had pretzel in a long time and I sit and I'm like, alright.
I don't touch that.
Tyler favorite.
I touch that.
Babe love this one. Donut.
Make sure you take the right one.
This is a snack bag. Can you tell? Biscuit. Tell her let's one man.
Crêpe.
Crepe.
Good job.
Barre au céréales.
Bar the cereal. Cereal bar for the lady.
Barre
This
au
one is
céréales.
different, no?
No, it's the same. Tyler wanted to take something similar, but I said it doesn't make sense to take something similar and Papa have that.
It
So
looks
Tyler take
different
a
from
new
what I
one.
used to take.
Really no, it's special cake.
Okay.
Tyler take a new one.
Barre au chocolat.
Prince, you're turn Prince?
And he wanted Prince biscuit.
Oh, you're Prince?
Yes.
And
That
you
was
have the
an
princess one to
apple
match? Oh,
And
that's
with
mine.
babe, cookie, babe, look.
Cookie.
Non, c'est granola, c'est du granola.
C'est granola.
Parce qu'on
Granola
a
is the
le
brand.
granola.
Oh, granola is the brand.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. Biscuit for Mama and Sarah. I won't say for Sarah alone, like,
She's the one that eating it.
is me eating the most. Right now, is it Sarah having her hand on your
what
dad?
do we have?
No, you don't do no bending, please and thank you.
Poulet.
Chicken.
What a big pack. What you plan to do? You
I plan on learning how to fly.
whether you plan to like raise the chicken?
Banane.
Maybe that could be part of the plan too.
Celery.
Celery.
The champion morning juice.
Mama.
Yes.
Nobody's letting me speak.
Okay.
Tomate.
Tomatoes.
Let us speak.
Little tomato. Oh.
Corn. Somebody messaged me down in the
Nice.
comment section and said, "Mel, you guys don't have corn in France." And I was telling them that it's not the season, but I saw it today, so of course I have to pick it up because you guys know I love to make soup.
Oh, that's why you're gonna cut it in pieces and put it in the soup.
Right.
Okay, so you're not gonna put chicken, but you're gonna put.
Yeah.
Both. Here's
I say that I'm not a big fan of chicken inside the soup. I like the soup just veggie.
He loved the soup,
Just the
but
liquid.
in order for him to get the soup the way he love it, the chicken have to be in it. So when I cook it, he don't like the chicken in the plate.
Yes, she can just leave it and take it and just give me the liquid.
But he love all that liquid. French people don't like the soup the way Jamaicans have soup. They like cream soup.
Lemon.
Lemon. I'm gonna let Sarah so quiet. She was in the class.
Oh, carrots.
Carrot.
This bag
Carrot
is definitely not mine.
is definitely yours. Both.
Green bean.
Green beans.
Haricot vert. Mama, you're not giving me time.
You're too slow.
Oh, a plantain.
Green plantain,
Plantain.
because I decided that I need to make green plantain porridge and let Tyler make tasty.
Okay.
So that might be on my agenda for the weekend.
What else do we have here?
Alright you guys, in this bag is only vegetable like broccoli and lettuce and...
Papa.
Hey, I'm speaking.
I want to say something to Papa.
Wait. In this bag is only vegetable like broccoli, lettuce, apple. So I won't be bothered to take them out to show you guys one by one.
You're tired.
Papa.
Yes,
Papa.
I'm tired and I'm
Tired. I hope
hungry.
you appreciate my job when I'm doing everything.
I don't?
I don't know.
Papa. Papa.
Yes,
Sarah,
Tyler.
elle a, je veux dire, maman, elle a fait quelque chose qu'elle a complètement oublié. Il était comme ça au début. Elle a oublié de... quelque chose comme ça.
Oh, elle a oublié de le mettre dans le sac.
Oui.
Okay.
No, I did not forget nothing. The only thing on the list I didn't forget is corn. What do you want? Yes. What do you want?
You know what you need to find the corn with? Well,
What? Yes. And water, please. 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 Water, please.
where's the water? Where's the corn beef?
Where the not where the snack is, behind the snack section.
Is that when you have the mixed veg and the corn?
Oh, look, there's some 20 not there.
Okay.
Water, please. Very good. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul for today, I'm gonna put my little warrior child on for a nap, and I'm gonna look something to eat because I'm hungry. Hungry.